Hello, it's Sonny's birthday today.
And I am 8 years old.
Yeah, it is.
Let's see what I've got.
Oh, how many?
Oh, at the back.
How many?
I'll start with this one. Hard, round, and
Who's is that?
There's a present for Lukey there.
I got a
these
one.
are really big as well.
I saw a video that he.
What is it? What are
Dad,
you?
I saw.
What kind of sweets?
Sonny, I actually saw a video and I
What are
saw he
you?
was evil.
Haribo sour dinosaurs.
Sonny,
Alright,
Sonny.
don't open them now.
Sonny.
Oh.
Carry on
I
with the
saw a
presents.
video that this toy Bluey was evil.
Oh no, Dad, you got him the wrong toy. It's evil. I'm guessing this is cream egg.
You got it.
No. Oh, double. Not cream eggs. Yes.
That's it.
Look who's there.
Sonny,
Double Avengers.
Luca, you can look at who's there.
good. I'll
Ellie?
be down with Sonny.
You can look at that eye. Open.
Look, wait.
See?
That's right there. Sonny, I
What's
have
this called? No.
It's an around the wheel game.
I.
Right, you can give us presents.
Give me my present now.
I only get one.
Because it's Sonny's birthday. And I'm sure he'll share his toys with you.
You won't.
He will, because
What?
you might get lucky days, won't you?
You open this, Dad.
Liverpool bowler.
Open that, please.
We'll open it in a minute.
Did Liverpool actually
Oh,
send you
nice.
that? Did Liverpool send you it?
No, because you go from Liverpool shop.
If Liverpool sent it to you.
No?
Oh! One bottle. Two bottles.
One bottle's for Luca, the blue one.
That's for you. Luca, here. Did you get two presents? That's how I hold that.
Yeah.
Put it up.
Sonny,
No, get it away.
Do the cards last, can't you?
Ooh, nice.
Oh, dino plate.
Dinosaur plate. Dinosaur pajamas.
No, they're Minecraft.
It's because I've got loads of dinosaur things. Can't think.
Hey!
thanks, Dad.
And which one? This one's already open a bit, so.
Because I started opening.
Okay. I can see dinosaurs.
Oh, Sonny, can I paint one?
No. You get this from the charity shop.
No?
I saw this in the charity shop in Wales though.
Did you?
Sonny's not gonna let me paint any one of them.
Well, you can only paint one.
They can be open in
We can do it together.
You can only open one. Because it is big, big,
Can
big.
you open this one? It's nice and soft.
It's because it's their pajamas. No? Not pajamas. How is this? Not pajamas.
The same as it.
Oh.
It's the darts game that we can take that one down the caravan, can't we?
Oh.
Sonny, open this massive one. It's massive.
This one.
Sonny, look at that one.
More dinosaurs. Lego.
Lego.
You said you were getting me Lego.
Happy day to you.
Lego! I'll build this. Dad, I'll build this after the video.
Ah, okay, no problem.
Immediately.
Okay.
Hey,
Come on,
Dad.
keep going.
Dad, hey. Dad, show the camera. Hey. Sonny, look. Sonny, look.
wanted.
I want
This. That's meant to be one dino, but 2 dinos.
Yeah, you can make 3 dinosaurs with it.
that.
Very good, won't it?
That mine.
Go
Open the sweets in a minute.
after the bits.
That's okay then.
That's okay.
This one. This one. Yeah, this one. This is interesting. A weird. Weird shape. Means it's gotta be fun.
Dinosaurs. Another dinosaur.
You said I wanted this.
Uh-huh.
I actually got it.
Haven't got that one, have you?
This is the
What's these?
no.
But nearly.
The
Dinosaurs I got.
the Massadino.
Kijk voor suikers.
Diapersuikers.
Sonny, the Velociraptor. No.
It's a crocodile. Oh, Demeter right back kills all the dinosaurs. Actually came to kill the crocodiles, but the dinosaur crocodiles were thought to be the crocodiles today.
Sonny.
No, I'm not opening it. I pick which ones I open. And this is that. Oh, but it was one hand. Oh my finger.
Oh my goodness. Sonny, this canoe.
My brother has a big fat bottom and so do I.
Sonny, could you do this because it's getting heavy?
Just stop holding it then.
I have to.
How do you play? Fart. Put in plates.
Dad, look. Dad,
Yeah, come on, Sonny. Do the
come
presents.
with this, Dad.
I'll open it.
Dad, come with this. Ah, ah, ah.
Careful now.
Can I have it?
Careful now.
It's heavy.
Oh,
Grab cupboard. Yippee! Dad, the bag. Be respectful of my things.
Sonny, this one is the last one.
oh, what is it?
A light up juicer.
Sonny's got the same.
Future is you.
It's not the same one, it's the different one. The big boy one.
And the big boy one. Five plus. Illumination. I can actually like that.
Wow, wowza.
If you watch Lucas' birthday, he's got a different version of this. So watch that video next.
You can get your head over there. There we go.
Food. It's a present food. Let me guess, it's something inside it. Food. We're going to all the towers.
Can I see? Can
Happy 8th birthday, Sonny. Including free parkour walk and golf for off Dad.
2024.
5th of April. So we're not going to Cameron, we're going there.
Yeah. On
Have a good night.
On Friday. For 2 nights. Staying in the Splash Landings Hotel.
8th birthday. Sonny,
I get off. Bye.
look, Dad.
Okay. There's one more surprise for you. Come on, have a look.
Okay.
In the garden.
In the garden.
Yeah. Come on,
See
son.
it? It's training. Football training.
Yeah.
Olivia.
That was that quick.
Wowza.
I met myself.
Dad, what do I have to do now?
Oh.
Take it through the hoops. What do you think, mate?
This is actually fun. Swap.
So what do I have to do?
Take it through them and then just go.
And
Watch the fence. Go!
Dad,
What?
can we have a video later
Yeah.
of me training?
Yeah, of course.
And me. Dad. Dad.
Go on, take it back to the stars again.
Dad, how about me this year?
Go on.
How about you? How about me? Dad, I want the same thing. And you want my Dad, come and get more. Dad, come and get more.
I'm going to have a go in a minute. I'll show you how to do it properly in a minute. Show you my skills. Oh! See that there pop-up goals them so we can take them down the caravan.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah,
Like the ones we have
yeah,
on football?
yeah. You can take all the training stuff down and train on a big field, can't you? Take your hand out of your pocket, be easier. Take your hand out of your pocket, be easier. Oh, where, Luca? Oh, what?
Film this.
Right there, come on, get Luca. Go on, Luca, come on, go to goal. Lovely. Go!
Come and try. Dad, you
I'm
don't
gonna-
hold it.
I'm gonna
You
have to
go
go.
and try.
Alright. Make sure you point it at me. Ready? Sonny, watch this. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's take it in.
I'll film it. Yeah, quick. Keep going, Dad. You can do this.
Look at his feet.
Go!
What a goal!
Nice. Should we turn this off in a minute? Go! You happy, Sonny?
Yeah. Well, I've got inside the net. Oh.
Don't lean on them, mate.
Have a change.
Okay. Alright, happy birthday, Sonny. Go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Sonny. Happy birthday to you. Hey, you want to blow candles out? Well done, mate. Happy birthday. Cheeky monkey.